The rain may fall and rivers rise, our town submerged beneath the skies. But in the depths of all we face, we find a strength, a saving grace. Stronger for tomorrow, we'll stand together. In the face of sorrow, we'll weather the weather with hearts united and faith unbroken. A new dawn rising, a future unspoken. So lift your head and dry your eyes. A brighter future on the horizon lies. With faith as our anchor, we'll never stray. Penampang, together we'll find our way. We'll rebuild what was torn down. With hope and love, we'll heal this town. For in our hearts we know it's true, God's grace will see us through. God's grace will see us through.